All right, we got a new topic today. Before we get started, let's get some business out of the way. Reminder, Hunterworks makes the best belt on the planet, Can-Ams and Polarises. So check them out on our website. Next thing is, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Click the bell for notifications. What the bell does is, once you subscribe, you click on the bell, select all. When we make a new video, you're going to get a notification about it so you can keep up. That's something new for me. Been doing YouTube for a while, didn't know what the bell was. Now, topic at hand. Hunterworks has a new service that we're going to be offering. If anybody's been following our videos, we bought a 2022 Outlander 850. We're getting ready to do a clutch kit video for it. I was looking at setups in the kit, and it called for a pretty strong rivet. And I was thinking about how I was going to match it with what I had here. Normally you're using a vise, etc., but it was a pretty thick, massive rivet, and this is just an example. And so then it hit me. I was like, well, everybody's not equipped like our shop is to install some of the heavy rivets. And so we're now offering a tip rivet install service. Now that's the only thing we're going to be doing is installing a tip rivet. We're not setting up the weights for you. We're just doing the hard part for you. On all the kits on our website, you'll see closer to the bottom, optional rivet install service. Click here, it goes to a page. On the page, it just kind of gives you a description of what's going on, but down at the bottom, there'll be kits that we highly recommend that you use a service, because the tip rivet, like in this Polaris right here, is a solid steel one, pretty hard to get in. So the kits that we highly recommend you use the services there. The next section is recommend, which is basically all kits that aren't in the recommend, and then below that you'll see kits not needed because they either do not use tip rivets, they use screws, there's no fly weights in the kit, etc., etc., for whatever reason. So it's done by vehicle. Like I said, highly recommend. You know, the funny part is I emailed a couple people about it. I said, you know, on some hard to use kits, and funny part was they was both machinists, and they both said it was no problem for them. I won't scare nobody. We've been selling Dalton kits since 2008 and rarely get anybody complaining about tip rivets. But with this Outlander, it just made me think, and you know, we want to offer the best service we can on stuff. So for 20 bucks, we will see your water, go in your clutch kit, read your setup, because you're going to choose tires, elevation, duning or not, etc., etc., on that page, and you're going to add it to the cart, and we'll see those. We'll open up the kits that you bought from us, and then we'll see those setups, go pull the rivet out and install it. And we bought a new press to make it easier for us, put it by our office door, just to make it easy for us. You don't care about all that. So tip rivet install service now available at Hunterworks for today's price. Things change in the future. Who knows when this video will be watched, but 20 bucks. And we appreciate you guys so much. Remember, belts, subscribe, and click the bell, or ring the bell, as they say. Thank you so much.